This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 292 BHK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, smoke detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, leveling jacks, LP detector, refrigerator, slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 292 BHK is 8,390 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.